up, people? Charles here. And in this video, I wanted to show you a way to get views to your video when you're first starting out. And basically what you want to do, the first thing you want to do, you want to download, you want to find this Chrome extension called vidIQ. Because as you can see up here, this lets you know how many views you got in the past 2 days, in the past hour, to show you how many subscribers and all that you have. But I'm gonna show you something with the analytics, and these are this tells you where your traffic's coming from. And this was my YouTube search was at the top. This wasn't even here because I did like 3 or 4 videos last weekend, and what I did was whatever keyword I was targeting, I would go on the first page of the video of that keyword, and that video at the top, I would click on it. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna show you show you like a keyword. It's, let's say YouTube YouTube views, and we're gonna go search for that keyword, and I'm gonna show you what you can do and what vidIQ can help you do. So basically, vidIQ can help you. You can basically get traffic from that top video. And I'm waiting for this to load up. Cause like when I do videos like this, it loads up slower. Alright, we're gonna click on this video once it loads, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. And I'm just showing this video just for for so you can see what vidIQ can really do. I don't own the rights to this. I just clicked on this video just to show you my little tutorial. It's only for educational purposes. So I'm gonna pause the video, and we're gonna go to the data once it loads up. And once it loads up,
so let's be real.
I'm gonna show you what vidIQ does.
Videos about how to get more views on YouTube. Some good, some bad, some terrible and outdated.
Pause the video and then go down here. Alright. Alright. Now we're just gonna wait for everything to load up. But basically once everything loads up, you can come over here and you can use the tags that they're using, because they already had the tag that's ranking, and it'll show you what position those tags are ranked in and how many tags that they're ranked for. And all you do, you come over here and tags, and you put these tags in, in your description. And what's gonna happen every time somebody watches this video, you're gonna get you're gonna end up in the suggested videos, and you'll start getting like crumbs traffic from this video. See how he's ranked for all these keywords. He's number one for a lot of these keywords. And you could come over here, you could do a video around YouTube views, and you can come here and you can copy these tags and put these tags in your tags. See? He's ranked number one for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He's ranked number one for 13 keywords. And you can come over here and you can use these tags, use these same tags, and when somebody comes, because you had the same tag that he has, then you'll get crumbs traffic from that video, because you'll be shown when they show his video, you'll show up for this keyword and it's suggested the next video that'll come up. So you'll this is a way that you can get views to your video when you're just starting out. I hope you got some value from this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new, comment comment below so I can welcome you to the channel. See you on the next video. Peace.